This is accent aigu. Accent aigu is A. And when you see at the end of a word R, it is also A. T, it is also A. S, A. S, T, A. Z, it is also pronounced A. H, it is also pronounced A. So all these, whenever you see E with any of these consonants, it is pronounced A and not as I just told you. Okay, so normally these consonants are at the end of a word when they are silent. The last is RE. So whenever we see RE together, they become A. Okay, here also in English also it becomes bait, but in French also RE means RE is pronounced as A. So some of the examples here. So be, okay, bebe, which means of course baby. A, A, which means and, and. Et, which means summer. Este, which means is, the verb is. I am, you are, he is. Okay. So este, a. Then parler, as I said, ez is also at the end of the word pronounced as a. So parler. Then the sound re, may. So parler means to talk or to speak, and MIE, May, which is the 5th month, May, the month May. Okay.